she know I'm gone.
Hey guys, Chef Willie, we're back. If you've never been before, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can recommend a lot of jokes and fun from my channel. And today guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to make fried chicken from scratch. As you can see guys, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm working alone today, so I gotta put the camera all around the place. First, I'm gonna grab my chicken. See guys, I got my chicken all cleaned up already. I'll grab my chicken and clean it up. My sink. You guys can see, I got pieces of thighs, leg and thighs, and legs. And it got all these skins on it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to clean, how Chef Willie cleans his chicken. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead, it's a piece of leg. It's already got the fat. You want it to look just like fried chicken in a fast food restaurant. I'll show you guys how Chef Willie cleans his chicken. You get that yellow thing off the scalp, off the chicken. It's right here. Clean it off. And look at the skin real good. The skin is clean. No fat on it. You can go ahead and cut off this excessive part of skin right here. And now we got a perfect chicken leg at a fried chicken restaurant. This is how it's supposed to look, guys. Not too much excessive fat. Clean it off. I'm gonna go ahead guys and clean up all my meat and my chicken. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make fried chicken from the scratch with Chef Willie. Don't forget guys, in the kitchen, like, share, and subscribe. Chef Willie, I'm back guys. Whole pa funny, see me? Whole pa dancing. Oh, stay tuned. Just clean my meat, show you under here. I go out, go like this. It's like excessive slime coming under it. Get all the excessive slime off my meat. And then I'm gonna go vinegar it, wash it with lime and vinegar. I'm gonna show you guys how I season it in a minute. Got the camera right here. It's hard to work. Yeah, but this is how my chicken gotta look. Finish guys, clean it. Get all that skin, excessive fat off my chicken. The slime, I hate when that slime don't make the chicken get to fry or the seasoning get to sit on it right. You just rub your fingers along the leg. Right here. And a little vinegar. Wash my meat, some fresh water. While I wash it, make sure these parts right here got nothing in it. Wash the skin. Wash it with vinegar. Wash it till it's looking fresh. Drain all the vinegar out of it. Guys, chicken is already prepared, already set guys. Chef Willie, stay tuned. Chef Willie fried chicken in the kitchen. It's a little tedious day because I got me alone in the kitchen. I got hold my camera, so it's a little personal with me, the camera. So as you can see, my chicken is all clean and fried. It's looking good too. Smelling fresh too, guys. So rest the camera right here and grab some seasoning. Alright. First, I'm gonna add me some cayenne pepper. You know, paprika, give it that paprika, that gold look. Using my gloves. seasoning it real good for you guys and show you guys how I do it. Alright, a little session break. Don't watch me dance, yo. Don't try to take me start. Alright guys, look. Just add some paprika. Paprika give it that gold look. Like we get it at KFC or Popeye's chicken. Fried chicken. Paprika give it that paprika look. So I'm gonna add some paprika. Make sure the color is all colorful. Drain all that water off. Excessive water. You want no water. On your chicken when you season it either. And some more paprika. So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead season my chicken well seasoned. Dip it in my egg. So you get the egg yolk all over your chicken, guys. It's kind of awkward working on the video at the same time, but you get the concept of the video. You can see, guys, I clean my chicken and I season it with some black pepper. Add some adobe, some cayenne pepper, some peppercorn, salt, black pepper, and a little all-purpose seasoning. And as you can see, it's all marinating right now. And I season my flour. Season my flour too, guys. Everything in it too. And go ahead, got my eggs. Scramble my eggs. So a little egg yolk, so let them sit on it. And you can go ahead, guys, and flavor that too if you want by adding a little salt, black pepper, so it could all be flavored right. Go ahead, guys, my oil. It's heating up in the pot. You can see got a lot of oil. As soon as that hot, I'm gonna add a little water to it. Just tell me when my oil is ready. So I'm gonna let some flash a little water in it. Start making that sound. I'm gonna let it sit. Then you drop it in your flour. One dip. Chicken dip. It's all covered with flour. So yes, guys, as you can see, my fried chicken coming out looking good. Lower my pot. Smell it. Smell like KFC. Look at that. Look at the quality. Slow cooking. Cooking soft. Tender on the inside. That should look like KFC. This something like KFC here. 10 Kentucky Fried Chicken. Right here. Done fried. Keep you posted, guys, and up to date. So yes, guys, Chef Willie. I'ma twist, I'ma turn chicken and see color. Come on, look at this, it's ready. Well fried. See that? One chicken bun out, could poke it. Go on. Drain pan that. Ties them ready to. See how poke it, soft, crispy. And it shrinks, so you know your chicken is ready. French fried chicken. Not even crown fry, not even KFC, not even Popeyes can come to Chef Willie fried chicken upon that. Presentation. Well fried. If I cut it, easily cut. That's your chicken.
She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm